Juni kasi pero nag-drive ako. Nakalimutan ko na yung mga matagal na hindi nag-drive. Natakot kasi ako last na nag-drive ako. Pumunta kami sa bundok, sa village. Muntik kami nahulog sa bangin. Pinag-drive ako ni Mr. Tapos nung nasa paliko kasi siya kasi yung daan doon parang bagyo ba na paikot-ikot. Wala, hindi ko na control guys. Bunti na lang nahawakan ni Mr. yung handbrake. Yun yung last na napag-drive ko. At wala pa akong driver license. Bale, tinuturuan pa lang ako noon ni Mr. Natakot na ako. Until then, ayaw ko nang hawakan ang sasakyan. So, yun. Ngayon, kailangan kong matuto ulit. Kasi, kailangan ko kasi pag manguha ako ng driver license sa manual ako mag-test manual matic ito. So sabi ni Mr. at least alam mo yung basic. Alam ko naman siya, kaya lang mahirap din manguha ng license dito, hindi basta-basta guys. Kasi kailangan mong alam yung mga sign, ano yung ibig sabihin, ganyan, i-test ka nila. Pag fail ka, hindi mo makuha. Oo. So ngayon napag-isipan ng asawa ko na kailangan kong mag-drive kasi paano kung may mangyari sa kanya ganyan, di natin inaasahan. Sinong tatakbo, ganun. Walang marunong sa bahay kundi siya lang. Si mama hindi naman siya marunong. Hindi siya natuto. Takot din siya. So kailangan talaga. NC siya yan, mandatory yan talaga na matuto kasi lalo dito sa Lebanon, yung mga babae dapat matuto mag-drive. Oo. Kaya pinupush namin siya na mag-drive, yung matuto siya. Pero wala pa siyang makuhang driver license kasi under ano pa siya sa 18. Pag 18 na siya, yun, doon namin siya kuhanan ng driver license. Pero ngayon at least alam na niya yung mga basic ano ng pag-drive. Oh. Tingnan na.
No, it's 18 or 21.
Ah, 21? Ah.
I don't know if they moved it to 21 or 18. I don't know, we'll see. Basta na mas na she drives.
Yeah. But before, when your age, what is the age limit?
18.
Ah, 18. Okay. So, dito kami sa Juni, tingin kami ng mas maano kasi dun sa practice ni Cheyenne, marami ng sasakyan. Sunday kasi nung nag-practice siya. Milak. Natakot kasi ako guys.
What she differs from you?
Oh.
Look, she's driving alone. She's driving. What she differs? Nothing.
Basta when I have phobia.
When did they have phobia come in before? You think and they began lectures? No? All the people. How they learn? They never knew anything before. But then they become drivers. Once you drive in Lebanon, it's you go to Philippines, you make them. You will be a teacher for them. How long your brother is driving? Wait, look at this back. See one next to you. You can lift it out. You can make it back, or you can make it even straight.
Hold on.
Huh. Okay.
I have the rosary.
Back. It's better.
Okay.
Don't see it's very close.
No, it's good.
No, it's not good. I think it's close, very close. Hala. You feel? You step? You are better? أو قربها شوي بعد. Cheyenne push. Push with the seat. بعد till you hear check. Okay. شو?
Yeah, it's okay.
That's better? طيب. Fix أول شيء the mirror. هون. This mirror you should see the glass in the back.
The whole glass.
The whole glass. From right to left. Okay.
At the pray.
Put your hand like this. Look. Put your hand like this on the door. Okay. Look. You must fix the wind, Heidi, with Heda. Hag to the inside, hag to the outside. Fix it to the outside till you see this one. You see your elbow and the handles of the doors. The handles of the doors only. And the road. Not your door. The handles of your door.
It's not
And your elbow. And you can see all your left. What's going on to your left of the car. Okay, you can see? You see the two. Heidi, come in. I will fix it for you. You tell me. I will fix it for you. More?
Colors.
You can see the handles?
Put it down.
You can see the handles? The handles of the door?
No, I cannot see. Put it down.
No.
I can
You see it?
I can see it at the back.
Okay. We'll hide it a little bit to the front or the right of the car, not the back. You don't need the ground. You see the cars that will pass next to you, not on the ground. You see?
Okay.
You have to see what's going on. When you see, turn on the car. First thing you do,
Seat
you
belt.
turn on the car. Once you hear it's on, immediately you release the key.
Can I stay outside of the car?
No.
This is the engine.
Nobody
and
talks,
this is
Baba.
the
Yeah.
brake, okay?
Hey, don't use your left foot. Never.
Okay.
Never. You put your foot, okay, but you put your foot like this, in the middle, between the two pedals. Take it to the right, it's for benzene. You make heck. Heck. Hey, you don't remove it. Heck. You don't remove your foot. Put your foot like this, look at me. Heck, 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 heck. Heck, heck. فهمنا? Okay. يلا. Make down the head. Head. Press on the step on the brake. Step on the brake. Yalla. You lift it up, hand. Lift it up, and you press. Then you take it down. Yalla.
Dear.
Keep stepping till you put the drive. بس. Okay. شوي شوي it will move, and then you can accelerate.
Oh, now I'm feeling scared. Don't press on Haida.
Okay. Okay. Stay away of the hole. There's a seal on the ground. It's your road like this. Yalla. Okay.
Oh my god.
Right.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Why you give benzene? Why you give benzene? You don't give benzene when you turn. Here it will turn alone. Okay? Yalla. Turn.
I have to move the back shoe. I need to put the seat belt.
Once you are straight, you give benzene. Adjust the steering wheel. You see, you didn't adjust. You are this road. You are wrong way. You should stay to the right.
Yeah.
Hey, this is your way. Home to the right.
Okay.
Go to the right. Shway. Go to the right. Okay. You're still in the middle. It's okay. Yalla. Okay, yalla. Turn.
I put seat belt.
Bravo.
I put seat belt.
Okay. Yalla.
Don't
Adjust.
Don't shout when I'm Haida, Mama.
I didn't shout.
No, the
Yalla.
kids, don't
Go.
scream.
Go. Okay.
Slowly, mommy. Don't use the Haida.
This is your road. The steel in the ground, how the steel, they are not your road. It's yani in the middle. Okay. شوي. We don't.
Okay.
Okay. Why you
Yeah,
going?
wait,
Stop. Why you're going there?
Okay.
Wait.
Help.
Keep pressing on the brakes.
Help.
Heck. Turn the other way. Right. شوي. جا. Leave it here. She will go alone. Stop.
Can't he go to the stadium? Doesn't he know this place?
But why I see Mataran Tonet is putting Mataran, if we go up, she's putting the benzene.
If you are going up, you must put benzene.
It's
Okay.
because of
But if it's straight like this,
no.
Give. No
Put
problem.
shwe. Okay.
And only the curve, it's tight. It's not header. So you always shway.
It's because when you go up, you have you don't put benzene, it will go down.
Yalla. You need to park here, to my right.
Okay.
Bravo. Yalla. What you will do? اوطي يعني شوي طبعا تشوف المعمل. Look at the mirror. You see it? Still behind you. شوي. Once you reach it, you will head. يلا. Totally to the right. يلا adjust. It's next to my door and you have to adjust.
And to the left.
More. To the left now. If you continue to the right, it will hit. Stop.
Stop.
Did you look at your mirror to check if Heidi you crossed it? The steel? Yalla, go back.
Now, wait. Go back, reverse. Okay, so I should be at the left.
Not yet. You have to go straight to the back.
Okay, back daw. Pagka may sasakyan.
It's not straight. It's going to the right. So you have to turn to the left.
Oh, figures. Okay.
Okay.
Now he's imagining with cars.
Okay. A little bit more, then you begin to turn right. After you secure your left from cars. Yeah. Go.
Wait, sure, don't say me go. Now I'm...
Pressure, mommy, press and brake.
I'm not pressing fuel.
I know, but mommy, swish.
Don't be shy to me. Don't be scared. Anna, I don't want
We're making it to the rosary. It was not his idea.
You confess, Baba? You confess?
Well, I will park again.
Yarab.
Yalla, here, to the right.
Okay.
Okay, that's
Yalla. Look at the mirror. Check that one also. It should be to your left. It's not to your left. Stop. You will hit it. Turn left. Turn again. And do it again.
I will
Yalla.
go back again.
Go straight. Go to the right. Yalla. Enough. Where is it? You can see it?
Yeah.
Yalla, go straight till you reach it. Then you turn to the right. Go back, yalla. Yalla, turn. You begin to turn, shway, yalla. Turn. Turn more. Turn, turn. Adjust. Yalla. You see, when the mirror was next to it, you have to adjust. Okay, adjust. Yalla, adjust. Turn to the left. Turn to the left. Shway.
close to the wall.
We will hit the wall. You don't see?
Whatever.
You keep. I'm waiting. Until you are not sure small. Little bit to the right. Bas. Yalla. Turn to the left. To the left. Okay. That's it.
Okay, I will go down now. Okay. And then I lift up Haida. Eh?
Before you go down, you lift it up.
Ah.
After you go down,
Yan eh. No. I lift
you
up
put the park.
first.
You put the park. You lift it up. You turn off the car.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
Turn off.
I can drive. We can drive. I can drive you home now.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
They don't trust me. The kids. They're scared. Hello?
Enlarge.
You should tell me. Yes,
Mommy, I'm
mommy.
not
sure.
ready.
Yeah.
Mommy, I'm not ready to drive with like the cars.
Why you make it down?
I'm sorry.
Mommy with the eyes always. Mommy with the eyes.
Yala, siya yan. Oh my God.
Careful the mirror. Yalla.
Di siya yan naman. Careful. Dalawa lang sila. Alam naman niya yan. Brake.
Don't approach the steel. Because if she...
You are hitting now, Haida. Mama. Okay. Yalla. Brake, Mama. Don't. Yalla. Natatakot kasi ako eh. Cheyenne. Dalawa sila sa marunong. I'm scared, huh? She is putting benzene. Eh?
She will hit the wall. She will die, she will not die. Should not
Eh?
crash. It will happen one day. Go park it alone.
Park alone.
No. Here. There. That one is there.
Bala, Haida. Eh.
But you are far. You are far, Cheyenne. You didn't take your right. Go a little bit more to the front, Baba. To the right. Hey, approach the steel. Approach. Yeah. Get back. Once you see this one, you
Is it
cross
ready?
and you begin to curve. Yalla. Cheyenne, you approach straight and you go back straight. Then you didn't do anything, Baba. You approach to that one and you give a little bit to the right so you approach the steel. Yalla, go back, honey. Yalla, go back.
Go back straight.
Go back. Once you see this one, you curve. Hey, yalla. Yalla. Okay, curve. To the end.
Kaya natatakot siya. Ako din. Okay, to the left. Bravo. Baka ako baka ako walang sasakay. Natatakot sila sa akin. Wala silang tiwala ba? Ayan, marunong na mag-park si Cheyenne. Okay. Let me drive alone. No, sabi niya.
That's it. Go again, hey. Again. Enter, catch yourself so mommy don't break and Yellow. You speed when you are straight, not on the curve. Before the curve, you slow down.
Like when you turn on.
Stop.
Mommy should stick to walking.
Hey, that's good here because we borders, you know.
Eh.
We will learn about the borders. Speed.
Shwe.
Speed. Before you reach the curve, slow down.
You should come here every Aida.
Stop. Yalla. These are cars next to you. You need to go back. Straight. Once you reach here, you see it? Cross. Yalla, to the right. Yalla, turn. Pull right. Yeah, pull right. Don't be afraid. خلاص, I think you crossed it already.
There, look corner.
Keep looking for this one and the corner there, so you don't hit the corner of the wall.
Keep going
Yalla,
right.
Adjust. When it's next to the mirror, you adjust. Adjust. Turn left. هلا pull left. يلا. Before pull right. بعدين we adjust. بعدين pull left. Back. Stop. Little bit to the right. More. More. 2 rounds. That's it. يلا. Little bit. بس. Yeah. You see? Look at the mirror. Look at the mirror. It's far from هذا. Look at this one. It's far from هذا. Okay, you are straight on the yellow line. Okay, it's okay, hello. Okay? Get down. I will show you how I will park. Get down. Look at me how I will park.
I'm in the line.
Oh my God, nakakatuwa mag-drive. Si Mr. pakita niya daw sa akin, sa amin.
Look, mommy, look.
Basta,
I can see the yellow line in the mirror. I'm already inside. Look. I come from here.
Sian feels okay when he does that.
of course, Daddy. Okay, Daddy, hon.
Look at me what I'm doing. My hands and
Want to see? Come, that's
Look, فور لاب بعدين I adjust شوي شوي هيك هيك put your hand press it
Wala, of course,
بعدين full left بعدين look you see
okay.
this is the best parking. One time I go back, I align,